O respectable personalities present here, I beg the blessings of all of you, that I may perpetually carry on my crown, the dust of the lotus feet of such Brahmins and Vaishnavas, until the end of my life. He who can carry such dust on his head is very soon relieved of all the reactions which arise from sinful life, and eventually he develops all good and desirable qualities. It is said that one who has unflinching faith in the Supreme Personality of Godhead, which means unflinching faith in the Vaishnav or the pure devotee of the Supreme Lord, develops all the good qualities of the demigods. Prahlad Maharaj also said, Naisham matis tavad urukramangrim. Unless one takes the dust of the lotus feet of a pure Vaishnav on one's head, one cannot understand what the Supreme Personality of Godhead is, and unless one knows the Supreme Personality of Godhead, one's life remains imperfect. A great soul who has fully surrendered to the Supreme Lord after understanding him fully, and after repeatedly undergoing austerities and penances for many, many lives, is very rare. The crown of a king is simply a big load if the king or head of the state does not actually bear the dust of the lotus feet of Brahmins and Vaishnavas. In other words, if a liberal king like Prithu Maharaj does not follow the instructions of Brahmins and Vaishnavas, or does not follow the Brahminical culture, he is simply a burden on the state, for he cannot benefit the citizens. Maharaj Prithu is the perfect example of an ideal chief executive.